Question 4. Given the quadratic equation, where p is a constant, find the value of p if one of the roots is -2. Right. So if one of the roots is -2, that means x is -2. So we just sub this x value into the x here, we can find p. So 3 times -2 square plus p times -2 minus 8 is 0. We expand, this will be 3 times 4 minus 2p minus 8 is 0. So 3 times 4 is 12, 12 minus 8 is 4. So 4 minus 2p is 0. Therefore 4 equals to 2p and p will equal to 4 divided by 2. Done. That's our final answer. Next, we need to find the value of p if sum of roots is 1/3. So sum of roots, the formula is -b/a. So they said sum of roots is 1/3. We know our b is p, so -p, and our a is 3. So 3 and 3 we can cut, so -p is 1, therefore p is -1. Done. That's it.